In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit pages and links in GoDaddy website. We'll walk through entering the editor, adding new pages, duplicating sections, editing page details, and turning text into a working link. By the end, you'll be able to manage your site's structure with confidence. From your GoDaddy dashboard, select Edit Website. This opens the site editor, where you can manage pages, sections, and content all in one place. At the top of the editor, open the website area to reveal your site structure and settings. This is your control center for organizing navigation and keeping your pages tidy. To create a new page, look for the plus icon in the Pages or Navigation list and click it. When the menu appears, choose New Page. Give your page a clear, descriptive name so visitors instantly understand what it's about. Depending on your theme, you may see options like adding the page to your menu or adjusting visibility. These can be refined later as your site grows. Creating pages this way keeps your structure clean and easy to browse. If you want to reuse a layout or design you already like, you don't need to rebuild it. Open the three-dot menu on the section you want to reuse and choose Duplicate Section. This instantly makes a copy on the page, so you can keep the styling consistent and simply replace the text or images. It's a fast, reliable way to expand your content while maintaining a cohesive look. To edit an existing page, click the page you want to work on in the editor. The page opens in the canvas, and you'll see its controls on the right side. Use that panel to adjust items like the page title, header image, layout choices, and page-specific settings. Small, thoughtful tweaks here can significantly improve readability and visual impact. Now let's add a hyperlink to your text. First, highlight the words you want to turn into a link. Then, click the link icon in the text toolbar. In the dialog that appears, choose Link To and select Website URL. Paste the full web address into the URL field. Be sure to include the HTTPS portion to avoid broken links. When everything looks good, click OK. Your selected text is now clickable and will take visitors exactly where you want them to go. That's it. You've seen how to enter the editor, add a new page, duplicate a section for faster building, edit page details, and create a clean, working link. Take a moment to review your changes to make sure everything looks and behaves the way you expect. With these essentials, your GoDaddy website will stay organized, consistent, and easy for visitors to navigate.